What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own banking system using Python? Not only that, but I also have a small challenge for you at the end of this video. Today's homework will help you upgrade this project like a real developer, so don't skip the ending because I'll reveal the challenge there. Let's start building our Python banking system. Before jumping into the code, let's understand what this project does. The user first creates a secure 4-digit PIN. Then they need to log in using that PIN. After successful login, they can deposit money, withdraw money, check their balance, and even view transaction history. This project covers important Python concepts like loops, conditions, lists, user input, and validation. We start by asking the user for their name. The input function takes data from the keyboard and stores it inside the variable called name. We'll use this name later when showing account details. Now comes the important part, PIN creation. We use a while true loop here. This creates an infinite loop, which means the program will keep asking for a PIN until the user enters a valid one. This is one of the most important lines in the entire project. The isDigit function checks whether the user entered only numbers. The len function checks the length of the PIN. Together, they make sure that the PIN contains exactly 4 digits. To make the project more realistic, we allow only 3 login attempts. If the user enters the wrong PIN multiple times, the account gets locked. Here we're comparing the entered PIN with the original PIN. If both match, login becomes successful. Now, we create 2 important variables. Balance stores the user's money. History is a list that stores every transaction performed by the user. After login, the user reaches the main banking menu. Here they can choose different banking operations.
Close the bathroom door.
Whenever the user deposits money, we add the amount to the current balance. The plus equals operator is a shortcut way of updating a variable. We also save the transaction inside the history list. This helps us create a transaction log. Before withdrawing money, we must check if the user has enough balance. If the withdrawal amount is greater than the available balance, the transaction is rejected. This section simply displays account information, including the account holder name and current balance. This is another powerful Python concept. Enumerate helps us get both the position number and the transaction value at the same time. That's how we can display a properly numbered transaction history. Finally, when the user chooses exit, the program ends gracefully and displays a thank you message. Now it's time for the challenge I mentioned at the beginning. Your homework is to add a transfer money feature to this project. Create a new menu option where users can transfer money to another account. Bonus challenge: add a password change feature that allows users to update their PIN after login. Try it yourself before looking for the solution. That's how real developers learn. If you learned something new from this project, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Python projects. In the next video, we can upgrade this banking system with advanced features suggested by you. So make sure to drop your ideas in the comments.